Till like in May.
Oh yeah.
And we got to send out offers and see who's interested and who wants to play. So it's a lot of work for one day of great music, and you guys are the reason why we do it. All right, so the After Midnight Project, they're going to come over to the FYE signing booth. They're going to sign some autographs for you guys.
Hi. Okay, sorry. This is Lindsay Hale from Hailstorm. Hi.
And RJ Hale from Hailstorm.
Stop.
Awesome.
Michelle rocks. Oh yeah, and Angelique too. Say hi.
Hi.